10 meter per second subjected to is subjected to an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. An acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. Once again, I'm saying from first. Listen, a motorcyclist moving with a speed of 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second is subjected to an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. 0.2 meter per second square.
Can you
Calculate
it again?
the motorcyclist moving with a speed of 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second, moving with a speed of 10 meter per second, is subjected to an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. 0.2 meter per second square. Calculate the speed of the motorcycle. Calculate the speed of the motorcycle. Calculate the speed of the motorcycle after 25 seconds. After 25 seconds, mention very carefully. We have to calculate after 25 seconds what is the speed of the body. Means final velocity. Remember, after 25 seconds and the distance traveled in this time. Both you should calculate. Distance traveled in this time. That's all. So now let me see who will say first. We should calculate two things here. One is velocity, final velocity after 25 seconds, as well as distance traveled. So which two equations we should use here? So first, to calculate velocity, which equation we should use?
Sir, once again, can you say the question? I did
After
not
25
hear.
seconds, calculate the speed of the motorcyclist after 25 seconds and the distance traveled in this time. And the distance traveled in this time. Right? Manya, you try to write in notebook. Calculate the speed of the motorcyclist after 25 seconds and the distance traveled in this time. Both you should calculate. Can you able to say anybody? Given data. Alana, Mahalakshmi, Mavanesh, Pradosh, Tamil Sal, anybody you can say. First, given data you should say. Given data. Pradosh, we have to calculate here speed, final velocity after 25 seconds, as well as we should calculate distance also. So first we should calculate final velocity. Can you able to say the which equation we should use? First tell me, given data.
Sir, V is equal to U plus AT equation we can solve, sir.
Ma, first you have to find final velocity, Amma. They are asking final velocity after 25 seconds. That is how you will use. That is, you tell me first. How we can calculate? First, given data, you tell me. Given data.
Initial velocity.
Initial velocity U is equals to. Initial velocity U is equals to. Please tell me. How much?
10 meter per second.
10 meter per second. Are very easy, 10 meter per second. Next, what is the time given?
Acceleration.
They are asking final velocity. Final velocity is equals to something. So acceleration, how much given? Tamil Selvan. You speak. Pradosh won't speak. Mavanesh also won't speak. Acceleration, how much
0.2 meter per second square.
0.2 meter per second square. 0.2
Time
meter per
equal to
second
25
square.
seconds.
And first case, here two cases we have. So they are asking final velocity. Time is equals to how much, Ra? Time is equals to
25 seconds.
25 seconds. Now, so to calculate above, you observe this data. From this, they are asking calculate V as well as distance. So for calculating V, final velocity? Which equation we can use? Any idea? Forget about the distance. Distance we can calculate next. First v we should calculate. So which equation we can use? V equals to u plus at. Is it yes or no? First equation we can use for calculating final velocity. Now substitute it. Initial velocity is 10 meter per second plus acceleration is equals to 0.2 understanding into time is equals to 25. So if you'll do this, we used to get final velocity. All of you do this. 10 meter per second plus here meter per second square and second will get cancelled. 0.2 into 25. How much, Ra? 0.2 into 25. Just multiply. That is also you don't know. 25 2s are 50.50. 5 will come. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is 5. Plus it is. Not multiplication. You remember. 5. So what is the final velocity? V is equals to 10 plus 5. Which is equals to how much?
15.
15 meter per second. Have you got the answer? All of you. So this is the thing. First part. So now you know final velocity and you know initial velocity, time and all. So we want to calculate distance. So which equation will use, Ra? Time you know and you know velocity. So which equation will use for distance? Speak. S equals to ut plus half at square. Is it yes or no? Pradosh? So now initial velocity is 10 into time is equals to 25 plus acceleration 1/2 into acceleration is how much, Ra? Acceleration is how much? 0.2 into time is equals to 25 square. So now start doing this one, all of you. So now you can see 10 into 25, how much, Ra? How much 10 into 25?
250.
250 plus, yeah, 1/2 into 0.2 also you can keep like this only. 0.2 into 25 square means how much? You know square. So madam has taught you how to find squares. 25 square, how much? 25 square, 625. So 25 into 25, 625. Now all of you multiply, or else you directly do 2 ones are 220, 625 are how much it is? Half of that. Or else you multiply this one first. 0.2 into 625. All of you do it. I will make it 250 plus 250 plus 1/2 into this 0.2 into 625. How much it is? Multiply fastly.
125.
Wrong. 125. Very good. So 125. So now 125 by 2. How much, Pradosh? So 250. S is equals to 250 plus 125 divided by 2. How much it is? How much, Ra? Half? 62.5. Is it yes or no? Nobody is responding. So S is equals to, you add this one, 250 plus 62.5. How much it is? At least that you can say. So the distance covered is
312.5.
312.5 meters. Manya, you understand this question or not? So they are asking velocity. They are, yes sir, but you are not saying answer. They are asking velocity as well as distance. So first we are calculating velocity with the help of first equation. Next distance, we are using second equation. So 312.5 meters. All of you check it. If you are getting this answer, your answer is correct. If not, it is wrong.
Yes, sir. I got the answer.
Do it now. Solve it. Others, you also. Multiplication, division, you have to do more faster.
Yes, sir.
All of you solve that.
Sir, next question.
Wait, let them solve. Shall we start? Next question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all of you write next question. Right. A bus is running at a speed of. 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 Speed of 18 kilometer per hour. You have to convert it here into meter per second. Let me see who will say. 18 kilometer per hour is stopped in is stopped in 10 seconds. 10 seconds by applying brakes. By applying brakes. By applying brakes. By applying brakes. Calculate the retardation produced. Calculate the retardation produced. Calculate the retardation produced. So retardation means here what? Decreasing acceleration. So let me see who will do it. So it is comes to the rust, means in the sense of what is the final velocity? What is the final velocity?
Sir, 5 meter per second, sir.
What? Pradesh? Tell me.
Sir, 2 meter per second square.
Huh?
Answer 2 meter per second square.
Wrong. Manya, you are not at all solving correctly, Manya. I am not satisfying any time. I am everything modifying. Are you seeing the given data? You stopped in how much time I have given? How much time I have given? You tell me. How much I have given time? Speak, nothing will happen.
10 seconds. Sir.
10 seconds. Then how you have done? Do carefully. How you will get 2.5? Don't do this, Manya. I don't want. Given data, brothers, tell me. Tamil Selvan. Mahalakshmi. Given, tell me. It is coming to the rust. Means in the sense of what? Final velocity is equals to
0.
0. So 0 meter per second. Now, what is the initial velocity they have given? Initial velocity
18 kilometer per hour.
18 kilometer per hour. 18 kilometer per hour. Understanding? Next, time t is equals to what? Time t is equals to what?
10 seconds.
5 seconds or 10 seconds? How much I have given?
10, sir.
10
10
seconds.
seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds. Now convert 18 kilometer per hour to meter per second. Which one we have to multiply? 18
Into 5 by 18.
5 by 18. Very good. So 5 by 18 meter per second. If you multiply it, how much it will come? So 18 ones are 18 ones are will get cancelled. We used to get how much? 5 meter per
5 meter per second.
That's all. So now we want to calculate acceleration. So acceleration means retardation we should calculate. So what is the formula? Which equation you should use? First equation. So V equals to U plus AT. Understanding? So from that, what is the acceleration equation? Tell me. Acceleration is equals to what? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So now you see. So what is the final velocity? 0 minus initial velocity is how much? 5
18.
divided by what is the time? 10. Is it yes or no? Which is equals to minus, yeah, minus 5 by 10. Reverse right is Pradosh. Be careful. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are. So it is 1 by 2, not 2. Pradosh, it is division. Yeah, minus 1 by 2 meter per second square. Is it yes or no? Understand, Pradosh? Monish? So minus 1 by 2 means in the sense of what? Minus 0.5 meter per second square. Understanding? This is the answer. Manya, you said 2.5. Minus 2.5. I have got minus 0.5. How it is matching? This is the answer. Have you solved it? Please solve, all of you. Completed, Ra?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Shall we go for next question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write the question. All of you write the question. A train starting from Rust. 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 A train starting from Rust moves with a uniform acceleration of moves with a uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square for 15 minutes. 2 meter per second square for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Full stop. Calculate the speed acquired. Calculate the speed acquired. Calculate the speed acquired. Calculate the speed acquired. And also find the distance traveled during this time. And also find distance traveled during this time. Like already previous question means before last question I have taught you same again. Find velocity first, final velocity, later you should find the distance. So please kindly start doing, all of you.